Retrieval latency. Retrieval latency is the time it takes for a system to fetch the relevant data or documents after you send a query. You can think of it as the gap between asking a question and the system finishing its search behind the scenes. A simple way to picture retrieval latency is as the search time inside your AI system. The model pauses while an internal librarian runs into a huge archive, finds the right pages, and hands them back. The longer that librarian takes to run the shelves, the higher your retrieval latency feels to the user. In a retrieval-augmented generation pipeline, when you ask a chatbot a question, the system first sends your query to a vector database, waits for the top matching chunks to come back, and only then lets the language model start generating. That waiting period for the vector search results is the retrieval latency, and it stacks with model inference time. This is closely related to concepts like semantic search, which determine what actually gets retrieved. Retrieval latency matters because it directly shapes how fast your AI system feels, how many requests it can handle, and how complex your retrieval logic can be before users notice delays. Engineers tune indexing strategies, hardware, and algorithms to keep retrieval latency low enough that the overall experience still feels responsive.